Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made these cheesy salmon quesadillas, please continue watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notification bells on. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JQ, and today I will be making some salmon quesadillas. But before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for liking my 7-up pound cake video. That really means a lot to me. I hope you guys are doing well during this pandemic. I just want to come on here and show my face. You know, I haven't seen you guys in a while. You guys haven't seen me. So yeah, I wanted to, say hi. Hey! But anyway, so we're going to get started with this video. And I'm not going to be in the video. I'm just going to zoom in to show you how I'm making it or whatever. But please like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later. I'm still filming. Is it still going? It's still recording. Hey guys, so this is everything that we're going to be using to make our salmon quesadillas. We have our salmon. I'm going to use a little bit of butter to pan fry the salmon. We have our bell pepper, our onion, some tomatoes, our flour tortillas, some cheese, and my seasoning. I have garlic powder, seasoning salt, and black pepper. You can use any seasoning that you want to make your salmon quesadillas. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get our vegetables chopped up. So right here you see me cutting up the onions, the bell peppers. I'm going to place everything to the side. I just got done washing off my salmon and now I'm about to season it. I'm using seasoning salt, garlic powder, and black pepper, but you can use any seasoning that you like. Next, I'm going to add some butter to my skillet and I'm going to pan fry the salmon. Any day now. There we go. So yeah, so I'm about to pan fry the skillet. I'm going to do skin side down first because I want to take off the skin. So I'm going to pan fry that for a little bit, for probably 3-4 minutes. Then I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to do the other side for 5 minutes, and I'm going to take the skin off because I don't like the skin of the fish. My kids don't either. So yeah, but you can keep it on if you like. You don't have to do everything I'm doing. You see, I was struggling trying to take it off, but it came off. Next, I'm going to season the side that I didn't get a chance to season because the skin was on there. I'm using the same seasoning, some seasoning salt, garlic powder, and some black pepper. Flip it over. It's looking nice and done. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop the salmon up into little pieces. Just like this. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter to my skillet. Then I'm going to add my flour tortilla on here. There we go, and I'm going to flip it over to the other side. And next I'm going to add my cheese. I'm going to add my salmon and my vegetables. And then I'm going to place another tortilla on top. I'm going to let the bottom brown, and then I'm going to flip it over. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to repeat the process. I'm making my second salmon quesadilla. Mind you, I'm doing the same exact thing that I did in the beginning. Let the butter melt, and then I'm going to add more tortilla, and I'm going to build it the same way I did the first one. Okay, now that that's done, you're going to cut it into pieces, and here you have it. Your salmon quesadillas with some vegetables. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you know another way to make, quesadillas, put it in the description box down below. Yeah, well, thank you guys. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.